Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to help someone who is blind or has low vision, how to tie off their thread after they've sewn. So you can see the stitches just below the tactile border, and I can feel with my thumb if I pull on the thread where the last stitch was. I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to put it right next to my thumb, right under that border. Just go down through with the tip and then back up, and where this loop is formed underneath the needle, I'm going to put my finger right through the loop and then push the needle through with my finger in the loop so that it doesn't go all the way through. Hold on to the loop and then put the needle back through. It would have been easier if I made this loop a little bit bigger. So I'm going to put this needle back through the loop. There we go. And that ties a knot. And I'm just going to do it one more time, go through it, just going under that piece of thread. And that way it secures it. And snip it off.